Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that are considered to have numerous health benefits. They are known for their high content of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that help maintain good health and prevent chronic diseases. In India, there are several superfoods that have been a part of traditional Indian cuisine for centuries. Here are some of the most popular superfoods of India. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that has been used in Indian cooking for thousands of years. It contains a compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties and is believed to help prevent cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. Ginger. Ginger is another spice that is commonly used in Indian cooking. Amaranth. Amaranth is a gluten-free grain that is high in protein, fiber, and essential vitamins and minerals. It is also rich in antioxidants and is believed to help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Amla, also known as Indian gooseberry, is a fruit that is rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. It is believed to boost the immune system, improve digestion, and lower cholesterol levels. Moringa. Moringa is a plant that is native to India and is known for its high nutritional value. It is rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants and is believed to help with weight loss, reduce inflammation, and lower cholesterol levels. Fenugreek. Fenugreek is a spice that is commonly used in Indian cooking. Coconut. Coconut is a tropical fruit that is commonly used in Indian cooking. It is rich in medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are believed to help with weight loss and improve brain function. Indian gooseberry. Indian gooseberry or amla is a fruit that is known for its high vitamin C content, which helps boost the immune system. It also has antioxidant properties and is believed to improve digestion and lower cholesterol levels. Tulsi. Tulsi, also known as holy basil, is an herb that is commonly used in Indian ayurvedic medicine. It is believed to have numerous health benefits, including reducing stress, improving digestion, and boosting the immune system. Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an herb that is commonly used in Indian ayurvedic medicine. Click here to buy pure ashwagandha. In conclusion, India is a treasure trove of superfoods that have been a part of traditional Indian cuisine for centuries. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can help you maintain good health, prevent chronic diseases, and lead a long and healthy life. Author, zeniusindia.